Today is a quick video on how to replace an antenna if you have a GM product 2007 through 2014 years. That goes for Cadillac, Chevrolet and GMC. Actually, the same operation goes on Hummer H1 and Hummer H2. In my case, I have an antenna that combines navigation, radio and star on. Be sure that you know what kind of antenna you would need for a replacement before you start the repair, because once you pull everything down, your vehicle will stay like that for a while until you put everything back together. Later in the video, I will show you what kind of antenna you would need and where to look at. This product runs depends on where you shop. You can get it on eBay, Amazon, or of course from a GM dealer. The prices vary from $50 all the way to $200. So if you shop for a while, you can find a good deal. Let's go. In the first step, you would need to take off this pillar. So first, we will work on the passenger side. Pull out this cover clip, just like so. Get a 9/32 socket. Just locate it in there and undo it. Once you pulled out the bolt, release this gasket like so. And pull the pillar out. There is another clip, I believe about here, so just pull it this way. There you go. And after that's done, pull it upwards. There is no attachment down there, it's just one of the plastic pins. The continuation of this pillar dives down into your dashboard. Boom. So once that is done, be careful with the little speaker connection here. Don't pull your pillar too far, too hard. Once you detach it, unplug the connection here, and your pillar is free. So once the pillars are removed on both sides, get this piece loose here, the central panel for the sunroof controls and the lighting. Just pull it down. All it has is just 4 clips. Be gentle though. They're kind of tight. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 are quite tight, so be careful, don't break it. Next step, remove your sunroof slider, the shade, and this trim piece. Remove it as well. So just put it here. It's very easy too. And then slide it forward. And as you can tell, this is the slot that receives the sealing in the back. So you slide it in first backwards and then pop it out. So once this is done, then we need to detach the sun visor. Just clipped inside, again just pull it out, remove it through the slot, as so. After the cover is removed, let's undo the screws in there. Those are tiny stars. I'm not sure what the number is, but these are not just Phillips, so be prepared, you would need to have one of the little stars here. 3 of them. Disconnected carefully, just slide your Phillips under here and boom, comes loose. Next step is to take off this little receiver of the sun visor. Keep on doing taking off your door seal, like so. As you can tell, the sealing is coming loose, and we have the first visual with the antenna. In my case, I have a 3-prong connection because I have an OnStar, the GPS, and a satellite radio. So in some cases it would be 2, in some cases it will be 3. So double check before ordering. And once you undo this bolt, the antenna comes loose. Replace it, plug it in, and reverse everything in the back order. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, if it was helpful to you, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I review the cars, I talk about fitness, and I talk about travel. Thank you for watching. Bye.